Hello everyone, my name is Shai, and today I'm reacting to some more Hua Chenyu. This time it is his performance at a gala. I'm not too sure which one, but I do believe the song is Light the Bonfire at the End of the Galaxy. So I'm going to check this out. I know there's another short clip as well of him performing at the same gala. It's 2 minutes long, but I think I might check that out another time. I do believe they're connected, so I couldn't find the whole stage, unfortunately. But if someone did find the whole stage, that'd be great, so I can watch it all in one sitting again. But anyway, I'm going to get straight into this, so without further ado, this is Hua Chenyu with Light a Bonfire at the End of the Galaxy. Here we go. Looks so good with the long hair, though. he looks so happy when he's on stage, I've noticed. Like, is that who I think that is? That is who I think that is. Ooh, I should check that out next time. But yeah, he really does look like super happy when he's on stage. And all of this was like a simple performance. Because I remember when I first heard the song, I remember how happy it was. Because like I remember when I first heard it, it was like in his previous concert, and I believe like how it was a 2022 concert, I think I don't remember, but I remember listening to it, and this was kind of like the more tail end of like his series of songs that he's did, and this one was like very bright and very happy and a lot of very hopeful. And what I like about Hua Hua is it's like, although it's him, and although this is like kind of I guess you could say simple song, he just has a presence, which is just like, although the stage is very vague, it's like he has this presence that he's able to fill said stage, and it's always so fun to see his performances and such like that. And it's just like, I don't want to see him live. I've always said that, but it's just like the problem is like me trying to see him live is just the fact that like my job is a job that I can't really like take off days just for something like simple like this, or anything like that. So it's like hopefully like one day the stars will align and I'll be able to travel to see Hua Hua live, because that's all I've talked about ever since I've started reacting to him and stuff like that. And it's just like, because like no matter where he is, no matter what stage he's on, it's like he's always just got this presence that I want to see in person. If he ever goes on a world tour, which would be a miracle, I would definitely try to go. But Hua Hua, Light the Bonfire at the End of the Galaxy is definitely a very cute, very happy song that I always enjoy listening to. So I do look forward to seeing more from Hua Hua. So yeah, hopefully guys enjoy this reaction, even though there wasn't not a lot of reacting. But regardless, hopefully you guys again enjoyed this reaction. If you did, like, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.